For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Axe throwing has evolved from a niche pastime into a mainstream recreational activity. With rising popularity in urban entertainment scenes, many entrepreneurs are exploring it as a business opportunity. Starting an axe throwing business can be profitable when approached with the right strategy. Thanks to free AI tools, the process is now more accessible. This guide provides a step-by-step approach to launching your axe throwing business using free artificial intelligence platforms to save time, cut costs, and streamline decisions. Step 1. Research the axe throwing industry. Start by understanding the business model, customer base, and safety standards of axe throwing venues. Use ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, to help conduct your market research. You can ask ChatGPT to summarize reports, explain industry trends, or generate key statistics. Prompt suggestion: act as a market researcher. Summarize trends and growth opportunities in the axe throwing business industry in the U.S. Include customer demographics, pricing strategies, and challenges. You can also use Google Trends to analyze search interest in axe throwing by region. Free tools like Answer the Public can help uncover related questions your audience is asking online. This insight can help in shaping services and marketing. Step 2. Write a business plan. Having a detailed business plan is essential. It outlines your objectives, target market, operations, marketing strategy, and financial projections. ChatGPT can assist in drafting each section. Prompt suggestion: create a detailed business plan for an indoor axe throwing venue in a mid-sized city. Include executive summary, target market analysis, location needs, services offered, safety policies, startup costs, and revenue forecast. You can adjust this prompt based on your location and vision. If needed, use Notion or Google Docs to edit and store your plan, both of which are free. Step 3. Choose a business name and register it. Use a name generator like Namelix to brainstorm creative business names. Namelix is powered by AI and helps generate brand names based on your keywords and style preferences. Prompt suggestion for ChatGPT: suggest 10 creative and catchy names for an axe throwing business that sounds fun but safe. Include name ideas suitable for branding. Once you choose a name, search it on Google, social platforms, and the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office to ensure it's available. Register the name with your local business authority. Step 4. Determine your legal structure and permits. Use ChatGPT to explore the pros and cons of different legal entities such as LLC, sole proprietorship, or corporation. Prompt suggestion: explain the pros and cons of forming an LLC versus a sole proprietorship for an axe throwing business in Florida. Include tax and liability implications. Check your city or county's website to understand local business licensing requirements. You'll likely need insurance and permits, especially related to safety and alcohol, if applicable. AI can't file forms, but can help clarify which ones you'll need. Step 5. Choose a location and design the layout. A central, easily accessible location with enough space for multiple throwing lanes, safety zones, and a reception area is ideal. Use Google Earth or Google Maps for free to scout potential neighborhoods with good foot traffic or entertainment hubs. Use AI-based design platforms like Planner 5D or RoomGPT to visualize your layout. Upload a space or provide dimensions and get back design suggestions. Prompt suggestion: design a 2,000 square foot axe throwing venue with 6 lanes, a waiting area, and a bar zone. Provide layout ideas that focus on customer flow and safety. Step 6. Develop a safety protocol and liability plan. Safety is key. You'll need written protocols, trained staff, and proper supervision. ChatGPT can help draft safety rules, training checklists, and liability waivers. Prompt suggestion: draft a complete safety protocol and participant waiver for an axe throwing facility. Include staff responsibilities, participant instructions, and emergency response actions. You can then edit the document and review it with a legal professional. Step 7. Create a branding and marketing strategy. Use Canva, a free AI-assisted graphic design platform, to create a logo, posters, flyers, and social media banners. You can generate designs tailored to your brand colors and style preferences. Use ChatGPT to develop a complete marketing strategy. Prompt suggestion: create a low-budget marketing strategy for a new axe-throwing business targeting young adults and corporate team building in a city. Include online and offline tactics, partnerships, and social media campaign ideas. Also ask, write 10 Instagram captions and 5 email subject lines to promote an axe-throwing business grand opening. Consider using free versions of MailChimp for email campaigns and Buffer for social media scheduling. Step 8. Build a website and set up online booking. You can create a free website using Wix, Card, or Google Sites. Most of these offer templates and AI website builders. Be sure to include photos, pricing, FAQs, safety info, and an integrated booking system. Use ChatGPT to generate your web content. Prompt suggestion: write the homepage copy for an axe-throwing venue that emphasizes safety, fun, and group events. Include a headline, subheadline, and call to action. Use Calendly's free plan to offer online booking for sessions and events. Step 9. Plan your pricing and revenue streams. Use ChatGPT to calculate pricing strategies and forecast revenue based on different session lengths, group sizes, or memberships. Prompt suggestion: estimate monthly revenue for an axe-throwing business with 6 lanes, $25 per person per hour, open 6 days a week, with an average of 60% capacity. Include a table with break-even analysis. Also brainstorm add-ons such as event rentals, merchandise, and food/beverage sales. Step 10. Recruit and train staff. Depending on your size, you'll need a team for customer service, instruction, and safety monitoring. Use ChatGPT to help write job descriptions and interview questions. Prompt suggestion: write a job posting for an axe-throwing coach. Include qualifications, job duties, personality traits, and training requirements. You can use free hiring platforms like Indeed or Facebook Jobs to post openings. Conclusion: starting an axe-throwing business no longer requires expensive consultants or large upfront investments in planning. Free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Namelix, and others can help you research, plan, brand, and market your business with precision and creativity. By using AI strategically at every stage, from naming to promotion, you save time and money while keeping full control over your vision. With proper planning, strong branding, and a focus on safety and fun, your axe-throwing business can carve out a profitable niche in your local market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.